2012 Dodge Caravan, the 3.6 VVT. In this video, I'm going to show you where the oil pressure sensor switch is located. This is a common question on these Dodge Caravans, Grand Caravans, the 3.6 liter engine. So sometimes you may get a code that says P0522, and it's a permanent code, engine oil pressure sensor circuit low. So it may be a P0522. Or you could get a P0520, which is also engine oil pressure sensor circuit. You're going to get a couple of codes because what usually happens is the sensor circuit is low, but you're going to pick up a couple of other codes along with it because the sensor is malfunctioning. Most cases the sensor is malfunctioning. It's a common problem in the Dodge Caravan. I think from I'm basing it on a 3.6 liter, so probably up from 2012 to probably, I don't know, I'm going to say 18, maybe 16, but it's a common problem in the Dodge Caravans that I have. So remove this one. Now I picked up a flashlight here, and I'm going to try to get you down there as best I can. This is the driver's side of the vehicle right here, and there's your battery. You look down here, and I'm going to see, guys, if I can get this camera to be in any kind of position that I can show you this. I don't know if you can see the switch or not, but I'm located right on it. It's right there where I have the flashlight. You'll see there's two wires, and my flashlight crapping it on me. You'll see it's two wires, and it's attached right to the engine itself in that location. Sorry guys, it's just a bit difficult getting down there. I don't know if you were able to see that or not, but that's where it's located, way down inside of here. That's where it is. So that's a common problem with these Grand Caravans, Dodge Caravans. That's off. I don't know why. Figured I'd show you guys because I've had a few comments asking me the location of the oil pressure sensor switch. That's where it is. Now guys, there's some talk about you have to get a special socket for that, because apparently the new one, as the old one, has rounded edges, and I'm not even sure of the size, but there's some messing around because the new replacement one apparently doesn't have the exact same thread type style as the existing one that's in there. I'm not sure what that special tool is. I've never had to replace one yet, but I am getting the code right now, and it's something I'm going to have to do. Once I figure that out, I'll make a little short video and put that out there, letting you guys know what I had to do. But from what I've seen, this is not completely easy to get at. You don't have a lot of room, as you just saw. I can't even get the camera down there, no sense, and I'm just using a little GoPro. So good luck on that one, guys. Good luck on that one.